Now, the single needle strokes on this, it doesn't show tilting as well or depth as well, but it really helps you practice getting that really nice, crisp stroke in the skin. So you're gonna turn your machine on, you're gonna suck up your ink, and then you're gonna practice your strokes. Keep your machine straight up and down. Don't tilt it to the right, don't tilt it to the left. And you're gonna practice those hair strokes. So before we wipe it, again, you want to get your Vaseline. You want to rub that Vaseline in, right? Because we want to make sure we get nice, crisp strokes, even with our machine. Okay, you don't want to tilt it.